Assalamualaikum and hi guys, in this video I'll share with you how to make LED Ketupat Raya using Maker Uno. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The hardware needed are Maker Uno, flashing LEDs, 220 ohm resistor, and male to female jumper wires. The long leg is anode and the short leg is cathode. Wind one of the resistor's leg to the anode of the LED. Repeat the same steps to the second LED. Then, take the jumper wires and connect them to the LED like this. Now, connect both cathode of the LED to the ground. First anode to pin 5 and second anode to pin 10. Open a new sketch on Arduino IDE. Go to File, choose Example, then Digital and click on Tone Melody. Copy and paste the sample code that we have shared in our tutorial here. Then upload the code. In this sample code, you will hear the Suasana Hari Raya melody and the LED will flash red, green and blue color. Now, let's add the LED into the ketupat. That's all for today. I'm Suad from Cytron Technologies. Thank you for watching.